What's up, guys? UDR here. A quick unboxing of a new Team Associated CR28. This one is like a monster truck style. They also have the truggy style as well. It's a cool little truck, little 128 scale. Everything charges within the radio. You know, 2-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz radio. I mean, it has a light already built into the car, so it charges through the radio. It works on 4 AA's. I mean, it's a pretty cool little setup. You can't wait to open this up. It has a little garage door you see right here. They just cut it open. So let me cut it open just to give you guys a little peek and see. Hopefully I don't butcher this thing. Okay, I don't need to cut it. All right. Pop it open like so. All right. You guys can see this. That's what she looks like. Cool little truck, man. All right, let's go ahead and cut into it. All right, so break the seal. Let's go ahead, just open it up. That's what you see. See the top of it like that. All right. So you can pop it out, or okay, well, the whole thing comes out. All right. See, it has a little background. It's like it's sitting up in the rock somewhere. Nice little background shot. All right. And inside, the manual. That's pretty much all that comes with it. All right. That's what it looks like. You know, don't really read manuals till something goes wrong, right? So, all right. So you got your transmitter right in there. Oh, and it actually comes with the batteries. Well, that's pretty cool. I actually had batteries ready for it, but it comes with some. So let me go ahead and cut this out of there and get her going. All right, so first of all, this is a radio. It's a pretty small radio, I'm not even gonna lie. It has a foam pad on here. It's a 128 scale radio, man. I mean, it's not the best, but it doesn't feel too bad. Nice and small for your hand. Especially for little kids as well. It would definitely work for them. It's not those big remotes for little cars, so it works great. All right. That's what it looks like on the bottom. Pop that up and drop it in. Drop the 4 batteries vertically in there. Oh, and here is the plug. Okay, plug right here. It kind of has like a little pocket right in here where it sits. It just plugs into the car and it charges it up. Just put that in there. And then boom. All right. And you're ready to go. All right. Onto the car, guys. Onto the car. Onto what we're here for, right? So, get this off, get this out. Got the batteries. This is what they include. All right. Gold power batteries. All right. And now for the car. Little wire tie here. All right, pull that off. Oh, well, untie it in the car. Comes right out, guys. And this is what it is. A little monster truck, man. I like it. Has a little suspension back here. Front seems to be more solid. Well, I'll show you that once I take the body off. See a little bumper. All right. Tires are pretty hard. Pretty solid tires. Nice body, plastic. Pretty stiff, pretty hard. Take a good beating. All right, so it looks like here. Take the body pins off for you guys. My son's gonna love this truck. All right, and the body. You guys see that? It's pretty cool, man. pretty stiff. Pretty tough body for sure. Pushing on it. Alright, this is the car, guys. Got two little springs in the back. You see it from this angle. Springs, and right here is an antenna. Alright, screw antenna. If you get that right for you guys. Oh man. Alright, there's an antenna, body mounts, and they do look adjustable. Yep. And the front does not have shocks per se, just this plastic piece that kind of flex. See it? Just kind of flexes. Alright. And the tie rods are just a solid piece. You can pop in and out. Alright, and then the on and off switch, right back here. I'm not sure if you have any juice on it, but well, the light comes on. Probably has a little bit of juice, but I'll still charge it up. Alright. And the whole back end pivots. See that? Like a little control arm goes all the way to the front. And it has a stopper on the side of the bottom of the chassis. You see that? It's a little stopper right here on each side. I mean, it's not too much to this car. 128 scale. It's my first 128 scale. Cool little rig. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and try to charge it up. And I get a little running video here in a little bit. But I just want to show you guys this new little rig I picked up. Alright. Appreciate you guys watching. Quick little unboxing. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.